Well, day 2 in the legal fight over medical cannabis. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rob McCartney.
I'm Quinicia Fraser. A former state senator and Board of Health member is challenging the Secretary of State, alleging tens of thousands of illegally accepted signatures should have been rejected.
KETV News Watch 7's Alex McClune continues our coverage live in the newsroom. Alex?
Rob, Quinicia, it's a numbers game. Attorneys argue there is not enough evidence, saying one petition only had 706 questionable signatures, while the other only had 394.
1,692.
The fate of medical cannabis in Nebraska remains in court. Thursday, an investigator with the state attorney general's office on the stand who flagged a number of petition pages were notarized before signatures were collected.
Does that indicate anything to you as a fraud investigator?
It indicates that an error occurred or that fraud occurred.
Investigator Jake Brennan says more than a dozen circulators were flagged by the Attorney General's office for fraud. A dozen people who are not challenged in the civil lawsuit. Attorneys say J.C. Todd of York may have written the wrong date on a petition page. Todd faces 24 counts of alleged malfeasance and is absent from the courtroom due to medical issues.
Did you talk to Mr. Todd about this petition?
I did not.
Is it possible that Mr. Todd just got the wrong date?
It is.
Outside the Lancaster County courtroom, thousands of Nebraskans voting early across the state on whether to legalize and regulate medical marijuana. An effort that took years to get this far. Organizers, including Krista Eggers, are watching the case unfold from the gallery. Late Thursday, a petition circulator said she was not always present in front of a notary.
Who notarized your petition pages?
Krista Eggers, Garrett Connolly, Marcy Reed, Shannon Coriold, Tim Bell. I don't know the people in Lincoln. There were a few others.
The circulator saying she did not see Eggers or others notarize petition pages and that Eggers did not see the circulator sign the forms.
Oh, no, I know.
A tight window before Election Day. Attorneys say there are more witnesses to get to within days. They're looking to reach a conclusion before next Tuesday. Rob?
All right, Alex, thanks.